my name is Jen, and this is my channel, Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here today. Today I am here to share with you my November 2021 glossy boxes with the is. It's 2, guys. So what happened is last month, for the month of October, they had a really cool box planned for us, but they were unable to ship it. I'm not quite sure why. I think they had trouble getting the actual boxes in. They had a special one designed for us. So they, as a thank you for our patience, which really is not hard to do when it comes to Glossybox because I love them so much, they sent 2 boxes. So I want to keep this video short and sweet, so I will link the Glossybox website down below, so make sure you go check it out. I believe I have a discount code I can share with you guys, so if I have that, I will link that down below as well. Let's go ahead and get started on these boxes. This must be the one from last month, obviously. And it says Magical Masquerade. Very cool. And then down at the bottom here, it says The Truth. And then it's got the little Glossybox flower. That is so cute. And it's so soft, like really soft. We'll go ahead and open it. Oh, wow. Here's what the inside looks like. Guys, this looks like a mask. You know I have to do it. I'm sorry. I have to. Ugh. Look. Hello. That is awesome. It's got little holes for strings on the side here. Can you see that? But I almost want to get like a stick so I can just hold it up and be like, ta-da. That is so cool. That is so cool. It's got black tissue paper and a silver flower, and then the gray string. I don't see a card in here, which is fine because it looks like they stuck some stuff in here that's from previous boxes. I'm not disappointed at all, though. I love all my Glossybox boxes. First thing we have is this 4 Sigmatic cacao mix. And this is a mushroom hot chocolate that you're supposed to take or supposed to drink at bedtime. I tried 1 pack, but I added too much water. So I'm happy to have another one so I can try it out again and drink it the right way this time. They gave us a Hask Argan Oil hair mask. Y'all know if you watch my channel, these Hask hair masks are my all-time favorites. And the Argan Oil, and then there's a pink one, which is what I got last time, are my faves. Absolute faves. Very happy to have that. We've got some eyeshadow brushes. I do already have these, so I'm not going to open it because I'm either going to put them in a giveaway or give them to my daughters or my nieces. But 2 little eye brushes. Can't go wrong with those. I love the classic green color. I have to put my glasses on for this one because I'm clearly blind. Okay, so the next item that we have is by Laboratories Filgora Paris Age Purify Intensive Double Correction Serum. No safety seal, which is fine because it's just a little sample size, but let's get some out here. Ooh. All right, we'll try that on. Oh, that's nice and thick. Oh, it's got a nice clean smell too. You guys know I'm a sucker for clean smells. That feels really nice. Really nice. Cool. Not going to complain about that one either. I take these back off because I am going to complain about the glare in my glasses. Here we have a ruby sheet mask. Recharge mind and restore your skin, made with ruby stone powder and goji berries. And this is by Vitamasks. I've never tried a mask by this company before. It says gemstone therapy, aromatherapy, skin therapy, and color therapy. It says 1 mask, so it must be a sheet mask, I'm assuming. You'll be seeing that on a Mask Monday, so stay tuned. The next item we have, I think, is by Mina, but I don't know how to read that. How would you guys read that? M-I-N-A. And it is the 575, the color pen eyeliner. Woo! I was not expecting that. Obviously, it's a liquid eyeliner, and it is in a really nice dark chocolate brown color. I do not have a liquid eyeliner other than black, so I'm very happy to be able to try this one too. So that is everything that we got in our Thank You for Your Patience box. That was awesome. That was fun. They definitely did not have to do that. So that just speaks for the company. They are wonderful. And then the next one that we got is their classic pink box. And this is the one that was actually for the month of November. Here's what the inside of this one looks like. Ooh, I can smell something in there that smells really good. And it's got the pink tissue paper with the black rose. I don't know why I was thinking it was a gold rose. Because it's me. Attention span of a gnat. Oh, wow, I see some stuff in here that I am excited to check out. Oh my gosh. This looks like a really fun box. I'm very intrigued by this pink right here. I have not watched anybody else unbox their glossy boxes this month, so this is all a surprise to me. And I apologize again for the glare, but I want to be able to read about the products with you guys. Let's get this big bad boy out of here first. This is the Vitabrid C12 Daily C Balancing Cleansing Balm, and it says Melt Away Sorbet, a powerful proprietary blend of Vitabrid CG thoroughly melts away makeup and impurities without stripping away the skin's moisture. Ooh, nice clean packaging. Check that out. Oh, it's got a little applicator on the top, and it is sealed very, very nicely. So I'm not going to open that because I still have some moisturizers that I'm using up. So this is a full-size product, obviously. I would hate to see how big the actual product would be if that was just a trial. Like a big... Why do I want to say beer stein? I don't know why I'm saying beer stein. It's a full-size product. That was my point with that. It has an MSRP of $48. And these boxes, I think I pay $16 a month. So... wow. The top tip for this one says scoop a generous amount and massage on dry skin and rinse thoroughly. That's really cool. I've never really had a face cleaner before that was designed to just remove the makeup. I think maybe I had an Elemis one now that I'm saying that I've never had one, but not quite sure. Here it looks like we've got a little eyeshadow quad. It is by Cella, and it says Hello Beautiful, and these colors are right up my alley. Right up my alley. Here's what the quad looks like. Looks like we've got 1 matte and 3 shimmers. I like that. That is gorgeous. Decent size, good for travel. This is a travel size Manifest Bronze eyeshadow palette, and it has an MSRP of $20. Top tip for this one says use pigments separately or blend together for a more sophisticated look. Can you all picture me looking sophisticated? But I don't know. Maybe that eyeshadow quad is what I need to make myself look sophisticated and grown up. Probably not. You're welcome. Now this is a very mature looking product too. This is the Wee Cherie pH Changing Hydrating Lip Oil. Those cherries just scream maturity to me. I love this. Cherries are so stinking cute. And I'm tearing the packaging. I'm tearing it. I tore it. I didn't want to. It just happened. At least I know I'm keeping this. It's blue. Oh, you guys, this packaging. What in the world? It's by the Beauty Crop. Look at the lid. It has cherries on it. Cherries. If this is cherry flavored, I'm going to flip out. Oh, it is. Oh my gosh. You guys. I think this is my favorite product so far. Wow. I didn't even show you the applicator. So, before I stuck it on my mouth, it's got a nice doe foot applicator. It's very thick. It's got a nice light cherry flavor, but a very strong cherry smell. This is awesome. This is going right in my purse. Okay, this is a full-size item by the Beauty Crop. This is the Wee Cherie Lip Oil, and it has an MSRP of $12. And the top tip for this is to apply to lips liberally, layer to intensify tint based on your desired look. I know I had kind of a purple lipstick on, so I wonder if it... Now I have to look again. pH Changing Hydrating Lip Oil. So it changes based on the pH of your skin. That is so cool. And here it might dumb up, put it on over lipstick. So clearly we're not going to be able to see it. But the more you put on, the more of a different color you're going to get. And that is awesome. The next item is by Commodity Paper. On the side, it says scent space personal for me and the few I choose to allow, which must mean that it's a very light scent. This is what the packaging looks like there. Oh, ooh, and it's got a little spray nozzle there. I don't have any perfume on today, so. Kind of has a coppery smell. I do like that though. Interesting. I've been noticing with most of my subscription boxes that fragrances are becoming quite popular. Ooh, it's getting stronger as I... Ooh. Okay, so this is Commodity Deluxe Mini. The Deluxe Mini is worth $10. The full size is worth $105. Oh my gosh. And it says, spray on your wrist, neck, and elbow creases. Do you put perfume in your elbow creases? I can honestly say I've never put perfume in my elbow creases. Not intentionally. And I want to read about this one because I want to know if it's going to talk to me about what the scents are. Lightweight and effortless. Paper opens with ISO E Super, a unique and woody molecular note. Woody, I say, smells like copper, but not bad. Then, as the minutes pass and the scent comes to life, I told you it's getting stronger. You'll begin to notice an ethereal skin musk followed by a softly sweet trail of amber. I'm telling you, it's like getting stronger. I'm doing this so I can smell it. It's getting stronger as it sits. It smells really good. I can't wait to go out and sit by Steve and see if he notices this one. And the last thing that we have is this pink bottle that was intriguing me. I need to open this so I can read because I can't read what the package says. This is by Figs and Rouge, and it is Satin Soft Blurring Primer and Finishing Fix. Ultra Prime. And that's what the packaging looks like. Again, with the gold on top. You know I love that. And then it's got the little squeeze applicator at the end. Very nice. Let's read about this really quick. This is a full-size product. We had a lot of full-size products. Let's see. We had 3 full-size products in this box, guys. It has an MSRP of $52. The other full-size we had was $60, and then the $12 one. That's, oh my gosh, guys, the value for your dollar on this is insane. And this is, like it said, a satin soft blurring primer and finishing fix. And the top tip for this one, after cleansing, apply evenly over the face before applying makeup. So, nice. Nice. Very excited to have this. Guys, these were some great boxes. I'm excited. I'm always excited, but yeah. Ooh, that perfume, guys, I'm telling you what, it keeps getting... The scent keeps changing. That's what it is. I don't think that it's getting stronger. It's changing. And so I keep smelling it more and more, and I like it. Wow. Okay, anyway, so y'all don't have to sit here and watch me continue to sniff myself. If you wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up, I would truly appreciate it. It really helps to communicate to YouTube that you guys are enjoying my videos and encourages them to promote my videos just a little bit more so we can continue to grow our YouTube family. If you guys are not a member of my YouTube family, I would love the opportunity to get to know you better. I'm sorry, my nose is stuffy. I mean, I'm sure you guys have already noticed by my voice I'm getting over a cold. So anyways, squirrel moment. I would love the opportunity to get to know you better. So please consider clicking on that little picture of me right about here in the corner. Or there is a red subscribe button just below this video that you guys can hit also. I truly appreciate every single one of you. And until next time, keep smiling. Bye, guys.